Is money struggling to come to you? Does it slip through your fingers like sand the moment you get it? If you want to break that invisible barrier with money right now, you are in the right place. I am about to show you a very old and simple technique that will revitalize your blocked or slowed cash flow. This quick money flow ritual will make money stick to you and speed up its flow. What we need is very simple. 3 coins. It doesn't matter what currency they are, a glass of water, and a pinch of cinnamon, the ancient spice of abundance and warmth. If you are ready, let's begin. Step 1. Drop the 3 coins into the glass of water. Let them be cleansed by the energy of the water. Now, lean towards the glass and whisper this powerful intention. Money flows like rivers and rain. Never still, never gone. Step 2. Add a pinch of cinnamon and stir the glass clockwise. As you stir, feel that warmth filling you. Feel your luck and abundance awakening. Imagine the cold walls that block money from coming to you, melting away. Step 3. Pour the water into a sink, or, if possible, outside onto the earth. As the water flows away, see all your financial blockages, your debts, and your worries flowing away with it. And say these words out loud. As water moves, so does my wealth. And the final, most important step. Take those 3 coins from the glass, dry them, and keep them in your wallet for exactly 7 days. Do not spend those coins during these 7 days. They will be your new abundance magnet. After 7 days, the energy cycle has begun. The universe is ready to answer you. Perform this simple but powerful ritual with faith. You will see the blockage lift and money begin to flow to you from unexpected places. Will you try this ancient knowledge? Share your experiences and results with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more secret rituals and abundance practices. Remember, abundance is your birthright.